So here we have the Ford Kuga on a 19 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left hand side we have the Rev Counter, and on the right hand side the Speedometer. In the middle at the bottom we have the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauges, and above that the main trip computer section, which includes firstly the total miles of the car. They are 5,878. To the right hand side of that it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic, so we are in park at the moment. And above that we have a digital readout for the speedometer being displayed there. You can change that information for various bits of individual trip computer information, or you can have these 4 pieces of information displayed simultaneously, and then we're back around to the beginning again. And the buttons I was using to do that are just here. Beneath which we've got cruise control and speed limiter. Over on the right hand side we have stereo and phone controls, and just behind the steering wheel the minus and plus paddles so that you can change gear manually with this automatic gearbox. Over in the centre we then have the touch screen for the car. So this is how you pair your phone. So hit add phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
Follow the instructions on screen from there. We can go back a step. In terms of music, we've got plenty of ways we can listen to that. We have AM, FM and DAB radio, as you can see. CD player, Bluetooth audio as well, so you can stream your music wirelessly as well as making and receiving phone calls. You can also plug 2 USB devices in, and they will appear up on here should you plug devices into those. We can go back to the home screen and access our satellite navigation. There's a full video showing how this works on our website and on our YouTube channel. Really nice clear colour display though, very easy system to use. Below that we have the main volume for the stereo. Then working our way down we have dual zone climate control for the car. So you can adjust the passenger temperature, the driver temperature, you can increase, decrease the fan speed from there and determine where you'd like the air to be distributed. The air conditioning is on at the minute, that's off or back on again. Or you can hit auto. The car will now maintain those temperatures by taking full control of the fan speed for you. You can override that by making any manual adjustment. You see auto has now gone back off again. We have a heated rear screen and a proper heated front screen just there. We can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. The system is now off. We can turn the parking sensors on and off, and we can turn on autonomous parking. So this car is able to parallel park and perpendicular park itself. Again, we've done a couple of videos showing this working on our website and on our YouTube channel. Finally, we have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, a 12-volt charging socket and electronic handbrake. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.